I have some data here. Now I want to find the salary of David Lee. If you have a largest data and you want to find a salary of specific or some persons, so you don't you don't do it manually because it's too time consuming and difficult. So in this case you can use this function. Let's see how to do it. First of all, type this is equal, then index, and select the salary column. The index function is used to retrieve the value in Excel from specified range or cells. Okay, now type match. By using index and match function you can do it quickly and easily. Now select lookup value David Lee, comma, lookup array, select the name column. Now for exact match type 0, close the parenthesis, now enter. So you can see the salary of David Lee is 55,000. Now I want to change the David Lee from Sarah Kim. Now I want to see the salary of Sarah Kim. So you can see the Sarah Kim salary is 48,000. And that's it. This is how you can use index and match function.